Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can use split screen view on this Nubia device. First of all, you need to open one of your apps like Play Store and click on this square button. Now click on the top right corner of your app on those two rectangles and then click on the other one. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag the first app upwards or downwards and select Home button. You can also open one of your apps, but this time go into Tab menu and click on Split Screen Mode shortcut. Now tap on the other app and use them both the same way. If you wish to go back, just swipe up or down. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!